How to copy text from photos instantly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can copy text from photos instantly. Now this is for Android. Doing this for any iOS devices will be quite different, so uh, watch our other videos for that. So to copy text from photos instantly, what you'll need to do is open up your gallery and find the photo of which you want to copy the text from. After you do that, you will actually need to use your Google Lens for this. So what you'll have to do is on your gallery, you'll find the Google Lens icon on the top right. Tap on that. And from here, it will simply start locating your text. All you have to do is tap on the select text option. And then your text will be selected. Now there you'll find multiple options such as to copy, listen, or translate, and even search. If you tap on the three dots, you'll find copy to computer option. Let's not go there. But now you can copy this. You can also search the text. The text will automatically get searched in the web. You can just copy this and go ahead and paste it wherever you want. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. And again, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.